In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create cool text effects in Canva. This is a fantastic way to make your design stand out, whether you're working on a social media post, presentation, or any other design project. We'll explore a few creative techniques using Canva's tools to enhance your text and ensure your message gets the attention it deserves. So let's dive right in and start by opening Canva. If you haven't already, log into your account and click on the Create a Design button. This will allow you to start a new project with a blank canvas where you can express your creativity. Once your new design is open, draw your attention to the left toolbar and click on Text. Canva offers a variety of text boxes for your design, and you'll want to select one that fits your style. Remember to use bold, high-impact fonts, as these tend to grab attention and make a strong visual statement. Canva provides a wide range of font options, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles. A bold font not only adds weight, but also enhances readability, crucial for any design aiming to convey a clear message. Now, you'll need to select your text on the canvas. Go ahead and highlight it. Once selected, glance up at the top toolbar and click on Effects. This is where the real fun begins. Canva places a rich catalog of text effects at your fingertips. You can explore shadow, lift, hollow, and even glitch options, among others. Each effect alters your text in a unique way, so click through the options and see which fits your theme best. This is a great way to add depth and dimension to your text. Next, head over to the Elements tab on the left side and search for letter frames. Letter frames are an exciting tool, as they allow you to create text using images or textures to fill the letters. Once you find them, drag them onto your canvas. This method is perfect for adding a unique visual twist to your text and can make ordinary letters stand out with imagery that reflects your design's vibe. Finally, the last step involves filling these letter frames with images or textures. You can do this by selecting each letter frame individually and choosing your desired photo or texture from Canva's library. Simply drag your chosen image into each letter frame and watch as it becomes part of the letter itself. Whether you opt for a photo, a pattern, or a color gradient, this technique elevates your text design to a whole new level. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to create cool text effects in Canva. Experiment with these features, mix and match elements, and most importantly, have fun with your designs. By using these techniques, you can ensure your text is not only informative, but also visually engaging. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.